Top 12 Impressive Health Benefits of Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is a herbal tea produced by steeping hibiscus plant pieces in boiling water. Hibiscus tea has a tangy flavor and may be served hot or cold. There are many different types of hibiscus plants depending on their location and temperature, but the most common kind used to produce hibiscus tea is called Hibiscus sabdariffa. Researchers have discovered several health benefits of drinking hibiscus tea, including reduced blood pressure, antibacterial activity, and weight loss. In today's video, we'll go over 12 incredible health benefits of hibiscus tea. 1. Packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants are chemicals that combat free radicals, which harm cells. Hibiscus tea contains antioxidant compounds that aid in the prevention of free radical damage. According to research, hibiscus extract boosts the amount of antioxidant enzymes in the body and decreases the damaging effects of free radicals by up to 92%. Another research in mice found that hibiscus plant parts such as the leaves have high antioxidant levels. 2. Helps to lower blood pressure. Lowering blood pressure is one of the most wonderful and well-known advantages of hibiscus tea. High blood pressure puts extra strain on the heart and is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Studies have revealed that hibiscus tea can help decrease both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. In one study, individuals with high blood pressure were given hibiscus tea for 6 weeks and their systolic blood pressure decreased significantly. Similarly, a review of 5 studies showed that hibiscus tea reduces both systolic and diastolic blood pressure by an average of 7.58 millimeters of mercury and 3.53 millimeters of mercury, respectively. 3. Helps to lower blood fat levels. According to research, hibiscus tea can also help to lower blood fat levels, which is another risk factor for heart disease. According to one study, people with diabetes who consumed hibiscus tea had higher levels of good HDL cholesterol and lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Another research in patients with metabolic syndrome found that consuming 100 milligrams of hibiscus extract daily reduced the chance of bad LDL cholesterol while increasing the risk of good HDL cholesterol. 4. Helps to boost liver health. Hibiscus tea promotes liver health and keeps it functioning properly. In one study, it was shown that drinking hibiscus tea for 12 weeks improved liver steatosis in overweight people. This disease is distinguished by an accumulation of fat in the liver, which can lead to liver failure. Hibiscus extract contains liver protective qualities that aid in the reduction of liver damage indicators. Another animal study found that hibiscus extract boosts the concentration of various drug detoxifying enzymes in the liver by up to 66%. 5. Promotes weight loss. Many research shows that hibiscus tea might help you lose weight and prevent obesity. Hibiscus extract aids in the reduction of body weight, body fat, BMI, and hip-to-waist ratio. Drinking hibiscus tea on a regular basis controls the genes involved in lipid metabolism, increases fat removal, and shrinks fat cells. It also has anti-inflammatory effects that help regulate the stress hormone, which is linked to fat accumulation. 6. Helps to prevent cancer. Hibiscus is high in polyphenols, which are chemicals with potent anti-cancer effects. In laboratory research, it was revealed that hibiscus extract had a positive effect on cancer cells. In one study, hibiscus extract inhibited cell proliferation and reduced the invasiveness of oral and plasma cell malignancies in test tubes. Another test tube research showed that hibiscus leaf extract inhibits the spread of human prostate cancer cells. In other test tube experiments, hibiscus extracts have been found to inhibit stomach cancer cells by up to 52%. 7. Fight against bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled germs that can cause a variety of diseases, including bronchitis, pneumonia, and urinary tract infections. According to research, hibiscus tea can also help combat bacterial infections. In one study, it was shown that hibiscus extract suppresses the action of E. coli, which can produce symptoms such as cramps, flatulence, and diarrhea. Hibiscus extract is utilized in the treatment of bacterial infections. 8. Reduce the risk of heart attacks. Hibiscus tea includes an antioxidant called anthocyanin, which is important for preventing atherosclerosis, or artery constriction. The main cause of heart attacks is constricted arteries. Hibiscus tea lowers the chances of having a heart attack by lowering blood pressure and keeping the arteries healthy. 9. Boosts the immune system. Hibiscus contains a lot of vitamin C and has antibacterial effects. These components combine to build a solid foundation that strengthens your immune system and protects you from acquiring the flu or a cold. Hibiscus tea also includes iron, which helps the body maintain red blood cells and strengthens the immune system. 10. Improves skin conditions. Hibiscus tea has significant antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial qualities that combat free radicals and infections that can cause skin issues such as acne, eczema, and skin allergies. The high vitamin A and C concentration aids in the treatment of scars, blemishes, and sunburn, among other things. It also helps to moisturize the skin, erase small wrinkles, and delay the aging process. 11. Prevents constipation. Hibiscus tea prevents constipation by interacting with dead cells in the body and supplying protein to various regions of the body. These hibiscus tea benefits are extremely beneficial for health issues. If you suffer from constipation, hibiscus tea is the best option for you. 12. Relieves menstrual pain. Hibiscus tea relieves pain completely and is a superior alternative to using medications. Proteins and carbs aid in working with the sensitive areas throughout the menstrual cycle and attempt to reduce the number of replicating cells. Consuming hibiscus tea is therefore the best way to manage menstruation discomfort. Hibiscus tea is a form of herbal tea that has been connected to several health benefits. Various research and studies have shown that hibiscus tea can help you lose weight, enhance your heart and liver health, and even fight cancer and infections. So will you start drinking hibiscus tea after watching this video? Please let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please smash the like button, as well as hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, bye for now.